Come on, man.
Just don't shoot from up there.
APD?
Come on.
I'm biting.
We're here to help you, brother.
I am biting.
We're right here to help you.
So if I fucking pull it out right now and blast me and all
No, don't do that, man.
You want to do that?
Oh, shit. Hey, sit down! Sit down on the ground! Sit down on the ground!
Get down! Keep your hands up!
Come on!
I want to report a guy at Ralph's where I work. He has a gun.
Okay, what's the address?
169 Devonshire.
And what does he look like? Is he white guy, black guy, Hispanic guy?
He looks Hispanic. He has a black shirt, plaid shorts, shaved head, tattoo on his neck, the back of his neck.
Where is he at? Inside the store?
He's walking down the. He's in the store. He's coming back away from him. He's pointing his gun at me.
Okay, your name? Is your call back?
Yeah.
Okay, so Ralph 169 Devonshire, right?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll get the police out there on Monday.
We look like he's on drugs or something, so I'll be careful with him. He's very hostile.
He might be hiding in the back somewhere.
Oh, is he in the cooler?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, what about the woman back?
I heard something back there.
The woman's bathroom is right above.
So what do we have here?
So he was last thing going back here. There's another entrance, a set of stairs. They think that he either went upstairs to the bathroom, but the employee just came down and said, "There's someone in the cooler. He's in the cooler." Oh shit! Hey, sit down! Sit down on the ground! Sit down on the ground!
Get down! Keep your hands up!
Keep your hands up!
Do not reach for it! If you reach for anything, you will be shot with a less lethal!
I'm done.
Who else is here? LAPD, brother. Who else is here? Yes, we have.
Shit! Keep
Relax,
your
brother.
hands
Relax, brother. Yeah, brother. It's all right. We're going to help you. We're here to help you, all right?
Fix it here?
We're here to help you, brother,
Your
okay?
hands will be fixed here. What's up for now, PD? You're next now. You're fucking fake as fuck.
Get down! Hey, come on! You gotta get
Hands
down!
up!
You gotta get down! Get down! Get down!
Hey, brother, just relax.
Just relax.
Relax, brother, relax.
Come on, get out, man. We're gonna figure this out together. Come on.
Yeah, big ass fool.
Come on. Come on. Just stop. I'm done. Redeploy the cover. Come on. Get down. Come on, man.
APD?
Come on.
I'm biting.
We're here to help you, brother.
I am biting.
We're right here to help you.
So if I fucking pull it out right now and blast me and all
No, don't do that, man.
You want to do that, man?
Well, I don't know. There's three cops. There's three fucking cops.
All right.
Yeah. How many years?
Total, yeah, how many years?
23.
23?
Yeah.
What year you start?
It's been a while, brother. It's been a
What
while.
year did you start? Or you can't remember, huh? Yeah, you full of shit, dog.
Come on, man.
Ah, you guys are gonna fucking end up killing me.
We're not gonna. You just come down and talk to us.
I'd rather fucking hit the shit out right here with all comes to see. Thick ass fool.
Come on, man. Just come down and talk to us.
He's here. I ain't coming down on this fucking call time for down police department. Hey, could he here? You have a fucking bitch in here? You got me fucked up. Fuck this shit. Fuck it. I was ready to like dig anyway. What's up, homie?
Come on, man. Don't do it. Don't do it. Come on, just come down and talk to us.
No, you don't do it, dog. You get in trouble, homie.
Relax, brother.
What the fuck?
We're here to work it out.
Trabajo me da por verga.
We'll come down here and we'll get it for you, all right? All this will go away, all right? All this will be over. Hey, what's
It's
your...
not gonna be over. Not in my favor.
It's gonna be in your favor. Nothing's gonna happen. He's coming down.
What's my corner?
What? There's a bird. There's a bird.
He ran in there. Watch your back.
Hey, he's gonna have eyes on us, guys. Partner, where are you at?
Watch your back. Watch the grass right here. I don't know where
Yeah,
you're
I'm gonna go over here.
Am I ready to play with you?
Yeah.
You went in here. You know what?
He went inside.
This has to be barricaded shit.
We don't know where he went back there.
Got it.
You're gonna give him direction, okay? Okay, one. We got direction now. Here now.
Hey, lay all the way down.
Okay, let's move. Move forward. Bring the car up.
Hey, look to your left, bud. Look to your left. No, just stay there. Look to your left. Put your head to the left. To the left. Other side. Other way. Look the other way. Look the other way. Just like that. Do not move, okay?
Let's move up.
I'm not resisting. I'm not. Okay. I'm not. Oh.
All right.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
I got it.
I'm not resisting. I have the weapon.
All right, you're okay.
No.
All right. You're gonna spin up on your butt, okay?
Yeah, no.
1, 2, 3, up.